Hello everyone, welcome to the Domestic Ginger. Today I'm going to be making roasted rosemary and garlic potatoes. This is everything that you'll need. Red potatoes, the little ones, pepper, salt, rosemary, garlic, lots of butter, olive oil, and the bouillon cubes. I still can't pronounce it right. Anyway, so you're gonna get your water to start boiling. Just put enough in there to maybe like cover the potatoes, and a little bit of salt. And you're gonna put 2 of these cubes in. And then all you're going to do is just peel these. After you're done peeling your red potatoes, you throw them in your, like your chicken water, chicken flavored water. Now you're only going to want to let them boil for about 10-15 minutes tops. You don't want them like to actually be completely boiled. You still want like a hard center, because after this we're going to be actually putting them in a pan and browning them up. While the potatoes are still boiling, go ahead and melt about 3/4 of a cup of butter. Once they are done boiling, you drain the water and also preheat the oven to 375. Okay, and you're also going to want to keep the burner on, but not too high. And you're going to add about like half the butter. A little bit more. And then also you're going to want some olive oil. Ooh, it's already started. Add just like a few tablespoons of oil. And also you can sprinkle in some garlic. Okay, and then also add in your rosemary. Alright, so you're going to just do this for, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes until it starts to brown up a little bit. When they start to brown a little bit, you can also add in your pepper. A little bit of salt. Like that one's browning pretty good. If you don't, well, if you notice that they're not browning very easily, you can always turn up the heat. I have it almost on high. Once they turn a little brown, you can add just a little bit more butter. Make sure to keep some, just a little bit. And then you can add some more garlic if you like it. And I want to add a little bit more pepper. Okay. Now we can toss them in the oven. It should be preheated to 375. I think give them about 15 minutes in there and they should be good. After about 20 minutes in the oven, this is what they look like. And you take your remaining little bit of butter and just slop it all on over. Now, if you want to, you can also use some sour cream on top. I love using the sour cream. Anyway, so this is roasted rosemary and garlic potatoes. I hope you enjoy. Have a good one.